I'm going to show you exactly how to connect N8N to Telegram in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. So if you're inside of N8N here, there are a couple different ways to do this. You could come up to the arrow and click create credential. You could come up to the plus over here and go to credential, create a new one. Or what's more than likely is that you're actually going to be inside of a workflow already and trying to create your connection from here. So the first thing we want to do is we're just going to add the Telegram trigger to N8N. What we're going to do is we're going to click on message. And then from here, in order to create a new connection, just come into the drop-down menu and go to the plus, create new credential. From here, all we need is this access token, and we're gonna get this from Telegram. So inside of Telegram, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna come up to the chat and search for BotFather. This is this bot right here, the BotFather, and all you're gonna have to do is type in slash. Basically, it'll give you the list of all the commands, and you can click new bot. We can come up with the name for the bot, YouTube TG demo, YouTube Telegram demo. Go ahead and click OK. And now it asks us to create a username for your bot that must end in bot. So we can call it YouTube TG demo _ bot and go ahead and click OK for this. And now it says congratulations on your new bot. You'll find it here. And then down here, it gives you the access key or the API that you need to copy. So we're just going to go ahead. We're going to copy this API, come over into N8N, and we can go ahead and we can also name this up here, YouTube TG demo, same thing. Go ahead and click save, and we've successfully created a connection. And the way we can test this is just by coming over here. We can go in test step, and we can come back in here, and we want to go to the bot that we just created. So we'll click on the bot, and this is the new bot. So make sure you save this or pin this to the chat up top here. And we can basically go ahead and say, yo, 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 what's up? And we can go ahead and click OK. And you can see then just a couple seconds, it pulls our text in. It says, yo, 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 what up? And now you've successfully created a connection to Telegram in under 2 minutes. Pro tip, one thing you're definitely going to want to do for your own security and to make sure nobody else can use your bot is you're just going to want to add an if node here and then drag in this ID field, come into number, and go into is equal to, and then you can just copy and paste this ID right here. This is your personal chat ID. So this is coming from your Telegram message alone, just from your Telegram bot. And so now if we test this, we can say, hey, hey, basically this is going to go ahead and get our new message. And now we know that any message coming in is only going to be accepted if it comes from your own personal account. So we can test this too. And we can see now that this has piped this over to the true field. And if somebody else tries to access to your bot, because they're public, they will have access to it, but they won't actually have access to your workflow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And then check out this video up here where I show you exactly how to make your first AI agent inside of N8N. I'll see you over there.